So before I get into the palette and everything else, I just want to tell you guys I have been watching Shane, Jeffree, Trisha, and Tana since they all started, and I'm so excited for this palette. I'm so happy for Shane and Jeffree, and it's also really sweet that they included Trisha and Tana in this palette. I've been watching Shane since he did the Shanae videos, since he filmed videos in his high school. I love Shane. Also Jeffree, I was at Warped Tour every year to see him, standing in line for 4 hours. Didn't see any other bands at Warped Tour pretty much because I was always in line for Jeffree. And I remember me and Wilson, my boyfriend, we were standing in line for Jeffree and it started raining. And we still stood in line just because I was so excited, and I was actually in his Warped Tour video. I'll insert the clip.
It was so fun. It's like
I made him a poster. I was so excited. I own his palettes, I own his lipsticks, I own his highlighters. A lot of the stuff on the packaging is wearing off because I've used it so much and I carry it everywhere with me. And then with Shane, I went to his book tour. I'll insert pictures of that. And it was in Katy in Texas, and I lived in Houston. And I remember it was an hour away, but I was so excited. And I waited in line for, again, like 4 hours, but it was so worth it. I got to see him and Garrett because he had Garrett Watts with him. And it was so cool. I also love watching Drew, his friends, of course, Trisha. I went to Trisha's meet and greet. That was in Houston. I'll insert pictures of that, and I gave her a bunch of stuff from my clothing brand, Pink Supply. I didn't get to go to Tana's meet and greet, but I still love Tana. Either way, I'm so excited. Let's get into the palette. So this is what the palette looks like up close. It's so nice. The packaging is so durable. So it comes in this pink box, and then you see the Jeffree Star x Shane Dawson wrapping paper, which is super cute. And then you see the card that has Shane and Jeffree on it, and it is so nice. The quality is so cool. Sorry you see the reflection, but it is so cute. I love it. I also love the way Shane's dressing. It's so funny. I wish he dressed like that all the time. That is so iconic. And then it has bubble wrap wrapped around it, and then you get the actual palette. I love this so much. Literally broke the makeup industry. This is insane. I wish they did a new makeup collection every month, him and Shane. I think it would just be amazing. Then it comes in another package, which is really nice, and then the palette. This is such a nice quality palette, and it is just beautiful. So I'm gonna go in with pigment. It's the pink right here. I just can't help myself. I love the way that it looks, and I want to try it. I don't want to mess up the pan though. It's so pretty. It's perfect, but okay, I'm just gonna dip. I'm trying to avoid the pig as much as I can. And let's see. Oh, yes. See, this is insane. Jesus Christ. Don't mind the stained brush. The eyeshadow will not come off no matter what I put on the brush. So, oh my god, this color is beautiful. Also, can we talk about how amazing these pans are? I love that they went with different prints. That's so cool. So now I'm gonna go in with Not a Fact because I love that color so much. It is so beautiful. And let's see how this one works. I'm so proud of them. These colors are insane. So the first color I'm gonna swatch is Ranch. It is this white shimmer shade. So beautiful. I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Also Ranch, hello. The next one I'm gonna go into is My Pills. And this is just a nice transition shade. It's like a cute little pastel pink color. Shade I'm swatching is Tanacon. And I love in the video when he's like, we should just not put anything in there. That's this one right here. I'm going in with Diet Root Beer, and I'm actually obsessed with root beer as well, so I'm super happy about that shade too. Another really pretty transition shade. So I don't really do swatches, so sorry that they're probably bad. The next one is Just a Theory, and this is like a bronze champagne-y color, which is really beautiful. Oh my god, what dreams are made of. So the next one I'm going into is Spiraling, and that's literally what I was doing when I opened this palette. Put that one here. I actually really like that. The next one is Conspiracy, which we all know Shane for talking about, which I love that he was doing, because literally no one else could do it like him. I love that green so much. Oh my god. The next one is Pigment, and I love that pink. So beautiful. The next one is food videos, which I think everyone is excited for. Shane is the king of food videos, so this is perfect for him. And it's so nice. Oh my god. Hello? The next shade is Trisha. Of course, cannot forget about my queen. So let's put that one right here. So beautiful. I'm so sorry, these swatches are probably really bad. I have nowhere else to set my camera up, so this is the best that I can do right now. The next one is Cheese Dust, and me and my boyfriend were literally just talking about how we thought it was called Cheeto Dust, so we were kind of shook when we saw it. Put that one up here. And the next one is Flaming Hot, and we'll add that one up here. Beautiful. The next one is What's the Tea, and that's literally all I say when I talk, so love that. It was made for me, and I'm gonna put that one right here. Oh my god. Hello? Also, hi Bob Ross. Also, I really love that these shadows are long lasting, but when I take them off, it's gonna take forever, so love that. Next one is Diet Cola. This is probably the best one in the palette. I am obsessed with the Diet Cola imprint, and oh my god. Holy shit. Oh. Hello? I literally want to put this all over my body right now. So the next one is Not a Fact. I love that because that's literally what I say all the time as well. Beautiful. Sleep paralysis, and everybody loves sleep paralysis, so let's put that right here. I love that. It's like a purple mauve, like just, oh my god, why does my arm look like that? Anyway. I cannot wait to put that on my eyes. Next one is Illuminati, which is the smartest word I've ever heard in my life. That right here. Beautiful. I love green shimmer shades more than life itself. We'll be doing a look at that. And then of course the last one, My Ride's Here, which that is so iconic. The little steering wheel. Oh my god, hello. Beautiful. So there are all the swatches. They look amazing, and I'm probably just gonna walk around like this. I'm so happy that I got this palette. Wilson's mom actually bought it for me. She stayed on the website. I'm so grateful. I literally was about to cry because I was like, I'm not gonna be able to get it. I know everything sells out really quick on his website. So when you open it, it has these little, I forgot what they're called. But anyways, you open them, then you get the palette, and of course, sorry I'm blinding you, they have this nice mirror protector so the mirror doesn't get messed up. If you're debating on getting this palette, you definitely should get it. If any of the palettes that you're getting from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, it should be this one. I'm really proud of Andrew, honestly, for the design on this. I know Shane and Jeffree obviously did most of the work, but I think that's really cool that Andrew was a part of it, and maybe Andrew should come out with a makeup collection. Also, I post all types of videos, not just makeup videos, so make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.